How to speed up Telegram downloads. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can speed up our downloads on Telegram. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to speed up the downloads on Telegram, the very first necessity is for you to have a good Wi-Fi network connection. For that, if you don't have a good network connection, a good network Wi-Fi with a greater speed, you may just switch up to a Wi-Fi with a greater speed. Or if you are on a mobile data, just switch up to a Wi-Fi for greater downloads. So if you've done that, then another thing is I want you to check if there is any update available for your Telegram. For that, just simply open up Play Store and search for if any update is available. Just simply tap on update. Right now, any update is available right now here on my screen. So I'm just gonna wait for the update to be completed. After the update is completed, see if your download has become faster or not. So the next thing is, after updating your Telegram, just simply open up Telegram. After that, tap on this menu bar and here, go to settings. After going to your settings, I just want you to go under data and storage. You can see this, just tap on data and storage and tap on storage usage, and simply tap on this clear cache option and tap on clear cache. After that, get back and here you can see automatic media download. If the mobile data is turned on, you may just turn it off and switch it up to when connected to Wi-Fi only. That will make it faster to download, or you may just reset the auto download settings. So just like that, you can make your download faster on Telegram. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.